Alright, y'all, this video is family sues Florida sheriff after canine critically injures teenager. Man, let's get into this.
We do begin here tonight with the family of a teenage boy now suing the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. Good evening, everyone. I'm Paul LaGrone.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thank you for joining us. The family is claiming a deputy allowed a canine to attack the teenager while he was on the ground for over a minute. And the deputy allegedly did not pull the dog off even after they handcuffed the boy. Tonight, I-Team investigative reporter Adam Walser showing you the body cam video. But first, a warning here. Some of the footage you are about to see and hear is graphic and includes the sight of blood.
So we have so far 3 males and 3 females, all between the ages of 15 and 16.
The call came in on May 14th, 2023. Deputy Sarah Ernstis's body camera records as she responds to a Riverview neighborhood.
Where's the car at?
A Lyft driver reported that 2 teenage boys threw rocks at his car and assaulted him. A third juvenile suspect got in his car, drove a short distance, then jumped out and ran in the opposite direction.
What are these parents doing?
Did you see anybody run?
Like, why are your kids out this late?
Deputy Ernstis
Why are they
teamed up with fellow
assaulting
canine deputy
innocent
Galen
people
Hall.
just doing their job and stealing
Ernstis retrieves
cars?
her canine partner Roy.
Good boy.
The dog is being used
Parents
as a
need to be
tool track
charged
down
for
the
their
fleeing
kids'
suspect.
offenses.
As you watch this story, keep in mind department policy says handlers, quote, may only use that force with a canine that is necessary to apprehend and gain control of a suspect. When such use of force is no longer needed, the canine should be withdrawn as soon as practical, safety permitting.
All right, we got the dog on the ground.
And immediately after getting the track command, the dog puts his nose in the ground and he takes off looking for scent on the ground.
We asked Tony Tyson, who was a Tampa Police Department canine officer for 15 years, to watch the footage and share his observations.
He's responding to commands and he's doing what he's being asked to do.
Tyson says canine officers often face potential danger.
When you're searching for an unknown, you have to treat everybody as though they're armed.
3 minutes into the search, Roy's pace picks
That's
up.
true. Because you can get
Roy
popped.
finds the suspect, later identified as
anybody.
Roderick Smith Jr., near a fence. We're starting a timer from the point the dog makes contact with Roderick. Again, if you are a sensitive viewer, you might want to turn away now.
Come on.
Keep your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
So they're telling him, hands up. You can see from the other officer's video, he's standing there with his hands up. The other officer's got a gun, got a flashlight.
Yes, he's being apprehended by the dog, but he's not truly in custody until they got handcuffs on him.
That's true. He could take off running again.
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Stop moving! Stop
It's kind of hard to stop moving
Is
when
that
you're getting bit.
realistic to think that he could actually stop moving at that point?
What they're trying to do at this point, in my opinion, is get him handcuffed so they can release the dog.
That's true, but it's going to be hard for him to
Deputy
stop
Hall
moving.
says,
I got him.
but Deputy Ernstis doesn't give the dog a release command.
Stop! Put your hands behind your back! Stop resisting! Stop moving!
He said he got him, and now he's saying stop resisting.
Let go! Let go!
The last cuff clicks 60 seconds into the encounter. Roderick has said the word please 14 times, but never used profanity.
What we haven't heard here so far is
What does it
that
matter
gives
that
the
he
man
used
to
profanity?
stop. Isn't that part of the normal protocol and the training?
When she gets ready to release him, there should be an out command or an off command. Up to this point, I haven't heard it.
Please, sir, get the dog off.
Oh my God.
Come on, please. Please get the dog off. You get the dog off. You get the dog.
Get that choke out.
Sorry, he's just on his pants.
Stop, hold on. Back up.
Why can't you take him off?
The dog finally releases 1 minute 15 seconds after the initial contact. Again, if
Oh,
you're
man,
disturbed
I
by
don't
the
know.
sight of blood, you should turn away now. When the dog released, a gushing wound
Oh, wow.
to Roderick's femoral artery was exposed.
It hurts. It hurts. He bit into my. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding everywhere. I'm bleeding everywhere.
Stop.
Sir, I'm not moving.
You got gloves? Hey, get a medical kit.
It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad, dude. Oh my God, it hurts so bad.
Stop. We got an ambulance coming for you.
Yeah, it hurts
Relax.
so bad.
Y'all gotta stop committing these crimes.
Oh my God.
Y'all gotta stop.
Hey, somebody got a tourniquet?
It Get one out.
It typically does not end like this. Of all the dog bites I've seen over the years, I've never seen one that ruptured a femoral artery.
Get a tourniquet high on this right leg.
I mean, my boy he ain't
Right leg? Yep, get it nice.
he ain't even
That
110
tourniquet
pounds.
probably saved Roderick's life. The incident report said, quote, the defendant actively attempted to twist away from the canine and grab the dog. Ernstis told her supervisor about the incident minutes after it happened.
I mean, because he was getting bit. I mean, everybody, if you getting bit, you gonna twist and turn, you know, trying to get the dog off, which isn't the best idea, obviously.
In a subsequent review, Deputy Ernstis said to prevent Canine Roy from apprehending the suspect's groin, Deputy Ernstis held onto the collar until Canine Roy and the suspect were in safer positions for Canine Roy to be removed from the suspect's thigh.
It was a part of me. I was saying this might be it.
Roderick
Didn't
recently
they say he a
spoke.
juvenile?
He underwent multiple surgeries and ran up
He got a neck
$250,000
tattoo.
in medical bills.
You
Where's
think
his
about it all the
parents?
time.
All the time, every day, I think about it. It's like, and I get a constant reminder every time I feel a sharp pain in my leg, every day.
Roderick pleaded guilty in juvenile court and takes responsibility for his actions. But he says nobody should have to go through the pain he endures daily.
For me, it felt like it was just another day on the job for them. Like this is normal to them.
A review of the apprehension found Deputy Ernstis
I mean,
didn't violate department policies.
She is a
He has since been
canine officer,
promoted
so
to corporal. Records show HCSO
every
has
call is
conducted
kinda
10
like
separate
this.
canine utilization reviews involving Ernstis since 2021. These are incidents in which Ernstis used her canine to make physical contact with a suspect. Some of them occurred just days apart. We
that
requested
supposed to be a
reports
lot?
showing details from each encounter. That was more than a month ago, and we are still waiting. Roderick says that 1 minute 15 seconds will haunt him forever.
It really felt like 10, 20 minutes. It just felt like they just had the dog on me for a lifetime.
The lawsuit is moving forward in federal court. Motions by the sheriff's office to have it dismissed have so far been denied. The sheriff's office told us they don't comment on ongoing litigation. You can see the raw body camera footage on our website. I'm My Team investigator Adam Walser with photojournalist Randy Wright taking action for you.